What are the types of correlation? The correlation can be divided into two types. Let me capture them. Correlation can be divided into two types. In that, first one is a positive correlation. The first one is positive correlation. So what is positive correlation? In positive correlation, what happens is both the variables, that is both your x and y, both variables will move in same direction. That is, say if one variable is moving in positive direction, then the other variable will also move in positive direction. And if one variable is going to move in negative direction, then the other variable will also keep moving in negative direction. So this correlation is also otherwise called as a direct correlation, right? This is also otherwise called as direct correlation. So we have to keep that in mind. So positive correlation is a correlation where both variables will move in same direction. That's more important. Then what is the other type of correlation? The next type of correlation is a case which is called as negative correlation. So what is negative correlation? Negative correlation is a scenario where both variables will move in opposite direction. They will keep moving in opposite direction. And how that happens? Let's say if one variable is going to increase, say x, then the other variable will decrease, say y. Or if one variable is going to decrease, say x, then the other variable y will increase. So that's why it is called as negative correlation, and it is also otherwise called as inverse correlation. Can we have some example for this direct correlation and inverse correlation? One example for direct correlation can be height and weight. That is, when height increases, we can say weight also increases according to the relationship. And another example, or one example for inverse correlation, can be price and demand. What is this price and demand? When price increases, the demand decreases. Or when price decreases, the demand increases. So basically we have two types of correlation. One is positive correlation and the other one is negative correlation. We also have another category of correlation. I'll explain that. We also have another category of correlation, and in that first one is linear correlation and the other one is non-linear correlation. So the first one is linear correlation. So what is this linear correlation? Linear correlation is a situation where a change in one variable will lead to constant change in another variable. How to understand that? Let's say we have variable x and its values are say 5, 10, 15, 20, and it goes. And there is another variable, and say its initial value is 15, and when this 5 becomes 10, this variable 15 becomes 30. So for a change of 5 here, we have a change of 15. Then again, when it changed by 5, this variable, if it changes by again a 15, and if it becomes 45, then we can say it is a linear correlation. And here it changes by another 5, and for this change, if this becomes 60, then the change here is 15. So here what happened is there is a change in one variable, that is this, and this change leads to a constant change. You have the same level of change in another variable, so it is called as linear correlation. And we also have the other one, that is non-linear correlation. So what is non-linear correlation? Non-linear correlation is a scenario where the two variables are related by a specific relation, that is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. That is, if two variables are going to be related by this relation, that y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then it is non-linear correlation.
Hey there, a warm welcome to my channel CA Raja Classes, and I'm extremely happy for you for your thirst and search for knowledge. If you wish to take your learning journey in YouTube itself to the next level, I have an amazing opportunity for you. So this is my channel, and could you see this join button? Just click on this join button. It will open up something known as membership. Yes, you can become a member of our channel and you can have an exclusive learning opportunity. So what I got to offer for you, have a look at this. There are three memberships. One is banking lectures membership, two is finance lectures, and three is combination banking and finance lectures. This is an amazing opportunity for you. If you want to take your learning to the next level, join our membership program.